What's up, Panda Nation? This is Panda. So today's video is going to be how to get the Q3 system to work with my Godox flashes in slave mode. Keep in mind, take this with a grain of salt, that I only experimented with the systems. Alright? So I got the TT600, the V860 Mark II. I have everything in manual mode. I have them in S1 slave, but each flash can be controlled manually. So therefore I can set different power outputs to each flash when I'm on environmental shoots. So that's the good plus. This is going to be the main light that's going to help trigger these three lights. So as you can see, this is the main master light. This one is in slave mode. This one here is in slave mode. Now keep in mind, you can also lock your settings onto your speedlights by holding the mode button down for a couple of seconds and it will lock. Hold the button down again to release. If you never did that before, if you never did environmental shoots, that is key. So the optical sensors are going to be the reason why it's going to pick up and sense the light from the light source from this main strobe. To demonstrate, I'm sorry I'm about to blind you guys, and the image is about to go a little weird and dim, so keep that in mind. Ooh, as you can see, it's going off. Yeah, so they are working. So just to give you guys a little insight how they work, like I said, slave works on environmental shoots. This is going to be key for all my environmental shoots and my portraits, so keep that in mind. So if you guys are curious, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to bring you guys content in the next couple of days. I'm trying to heal after my electric scooter accident last weekend, so give me some time, please. But yeah, I appreciate you guys taking the time out and viewing this, and hopefully it gives you some insights how to use speedlights with your strobes and slave mode. With that said, everyone, you guys take care of yourselves now. Behave. This is Panda. So eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care of yourselves. Happy shooting.